Before you begin, remove the service door and battery. Removal. Peel back the retention tape, use minimal force to lift the locking bar up on the NFC antenna ZIF connector, and disconnect the NFC antenna cable from the NFC board. Peel back the grounding tape that secures the NFC board to the top cover. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the NFC board ZIF connector and disconnect the NFC board ribbon cable from the smart card reader board. Carefully remove the NFC board from the adhesive that secures it to the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the NFC board.